Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Silverado, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2019. If you need to find, guys, where the fuses for the air conditioner are located, which fuses you need to check. It's quite a few hidden fuses, where you can find them, where you can, guys, buy cheap parts too. Fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, engine lights, fuses, all that stuff, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing these videos absolutely free. Now, guys, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So please check them out, and they can save you quite a bit of money now or in the future. So for the air conditioner, guys, which fuses we'll need to check? It's quite a few, because some control the climate control system, some the compressor. We'll demonstrate on that generation Chevy Silverado, guys. You have many hidden fuse boxes in that truck. We'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Silverado. But go ahead and open, guys, okay? Go ahead and open the driver door. Here on the side of the dash you have that cover. Just pull it. Behind it you'll find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now, guys, quick thing: if you need to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, guys, we're going to put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out, that way you do not waste money and time. Here, guys, specifically which fuses we need to check. There will be some minor differences for the years, we'll talk about that. But specifically, guys, okay, please make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. The first thing is fuse number 22. This is a double fuse. Check that fuse, guys. Now, here, guys, if you wonder where you can get them from, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. The other one is fuse 26. These ones will need to be checked. If you have 2017 through 2019, it will be exactly the same location for these two fuses, 22 and 26 right here. Next, you need to open the passenger door, and again you have the same cover on the side of the dash. Remove it, and underneath, guys, okay, you're going to find a fuse box. That's 2014 through 2016 model, guys. And here specifically, okay, we will need to check one fuse, and that's known as fuse number 43, that big fuse right here. Now, if you guys have 2017 through 19, it will be exactly the same location. Next, you need to, guys, open the hood. Under the hood you see that fuse box right here on the driver's side. Okay, go ahead and open it, and you have a layout like that one for 2014 through 2016 model, guys. Here we will need to check a few different fuses. Specifically, we're talking about fuse number 35 at first, guys. Okay, so fuse number 35, if we zoom in, it will be that fuse right here that you see. Okay, that's one of them. Then you need to check fuse number 56 on this side. That's double 5M fuse right here. Check that one. Then you need to check fuse number 57, that double fuse right here, and you need to check fuse number 52, which is right there. Now, if you guys have 2017 through 2019, again, the numbers will be different now. They will differ but the location is almost the same. That one is fuse number 35, again, just like the other one. That's fuse number 52 right here next to the relay. Okay, that little bitty fuse that you see right here, that 10 amp fuse. And then guys, okay, you will need to check fuse number 55. Now we're talking about that's 55 and 56. Okay, these two fuses will need to be checked. Though these fuses control the AC system, AC compressor, AC clutch, and climate control as well. Now guys, you have all kind of different fuses and relays in that Chevy Silverado. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. And one time we needed a replacement one, we couldn't get one, we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. So what we do now, we always get some spare fuses, relays, keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind, guys. That way you do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.